Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting inside the Twitter app on iPhone. Open your profile icon in the top left and go straight to Settings and Privacy. You need to be signed into the account you intend to change, so confirm that now. Once inside Settings and Privacy, tap Account, then choose Privacy and Safety to access all relevant controls. This is the single path on iOS. Follow it precisely so you don't miss nested toggles or options hidden under Security and Account Access. Now that you're in Privacy and Safety, start with Protect Your Tweets if you want posts visible only to approved followers. Enable it and understand it stops public resharing. Next, open Direct Messages to disable requests or limit messages to people you follow. This reduces unsolicited contact. Then review photo tagging and location. Disable automatic tagging, and set tweet location to never or ask every time for precise control. Make changes deliberately so you keep the finish by reviewing data sharing and personalization. Turn off tailored ads and off-platform data sharing to limit tracking. Verify blocked and muted accounts to enforce who can interact with you and adjust discoverability, phone and email lookup, if you want to reduce being found. Once done, force close and relaunch the Twitter app to ensure settings apply. If a toggle won't save, sign out, update the app from the App Store, then sign back in. That usually resolves stubborn sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.